So in this video, we will create attendance sheet in MS Excel or spreadsheet. So this is our spreadsheet in which we have created this attendance sheet. It could be for school attendance sheet, it could be for college attendance sheet or university attendance sheet. So in the first column, if I zoom in, you can see right here. Let me show you just like this. In the first column we have roll numbers for student. In the second column we have names for student. Now in this columns we have attendance list, monthly attendance list, but for the sake of tutorial I have put a date just 10 days. Okay, you'll have to put here 30 or 31 days for each month. Now within this columns, we have Ali, this student Ali. This row represent Ali attendance list. So at first day, at the second day of first month, it is presented. He is presented in the school. Here presented, and here absent, here present, leave. So P stand for present, S stand for absent, and I stand for leave. Sorry, L stand for leave. So and H stand for half day. So it's mean that some day he present and some days he absent, and some days he leave, and some days he just attended half day at school or college, and same for the other students. Now what we will do here, we will first calculate the total days, I mean the month days. After that we will calculate absent, how many days he was absent and how many days he was present, leave, half day. So for that we will be use counta and COUNTIF formula. So first use counta. Now here you have to put equal, then just type count, and it will suggest you right here. If I zoom a bit, okay, I can't zoom it while typing the formula. So select this counter. After that you don't need to enter, you have to press tab. Okay, the moment you press, it will suggest you value. So we want to count the days for month, so we will select all these days, the range of our value. After that parenthesis, okay, there should be parenthesis, and just enter. So we have 10 days, and for other just select the cell and hover your cursor on this corner and left click and scroll down, and it will automatically count all the days. So in each row we have 10 days. Maybe in your case it will be 30 or 31. Now what I will do, I will find here absency. You can call it absent. Okay, so how many days Ali, this student, was present in this list, or absent, or at leave, or at half day. So first let for absent. For that we will use count if formula. So very simple, the same method, just press equal and count if, and after that tab. Now it says that the range of your list, so the range is like this one, so select the entire range. After that you have to press, you have to put your comma, and now it's one criteria. Now this will be our condition. So what I want here, I want to get absent. So here A stand for absent, so I will pass here A within double quote. So okay, I made a mistake, let me remove this. Okay, this should be 10. Now let me click again in the same. If I click double, then it will redirect me again to the first position that I have typed here. So within this double quote, pass A, because I want to get absent, and here in this list I have typed A for absent and enter, and it will give me 1. Why? Because in this list, in this early attendance, we have only one absency, only this one. The other, for other student, you don't need to type it manually, just hover your mouse on at the corner of this cell and left click and scroll down, and after that it will automatically count that how many days that specific student was absent. So if you see in this case, we have here at first day he was absent, and at last day he was absent. So we have only 2, that's why it shows us 2. Now let's for present, you don't need to do anything new. It's the same method, count if tab. After that the range, so the range is this. Once to select, okay, let me select again. Okay, I will select it again. Now from that starting point to the last one, and I will remove this one. Let me check it that I have selected, yeah, C3 L3. Okay, after that comma, now within double quote, this time I want present, so here stand P for present. P stand for present, so I'll pass P, and it will give me the result for present. So in this case we have 7, so mean that Ali was present 7 days within this 10 days. For other, just use the same method, scroll down while clicking left, so it will count all the days. Now for leave, the same method, just equal count if and tab, and select the range of your attendance. So this is the range, again comma, double quote. Now this time I want to find out leave, so here in our list we have L for leave, so enter. Now the other one automatically detected by Excel, you don't need to do anything, just select the corner, left click and scroll down. Now for the last one we have H, that is half day, so use the same formula, count if, okay, not this should be count if, and select the range. Okay, let me show you the range. So this is our let me select again. Okay, let me use again. I think I made a mistake. This is range, and now let me remove K3. After that comma and H within double quote, parenthesis close, and enter. It will give you 1 because in this case we have only H1. For other, you don't need to do anything new, just scroll down while clicking left. So in that way you can simply create any attendance sheet, and you can find out the absent, present, leave and half day. So if you like this video, then subscribe the channel Coding World. So see you in the next video.